Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts! Welcome to a world where cooking meets convenience and innovation. If you're someone who loves experimenting with flavors and textures and enjoys the art of cooking, then let me introduce you to your new best friend in the kitchen, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8 Quart. This versatile appliance is designed to make your culinary adventures easier and more enjoyable. This isn't just any cooker, it's a 9-in-1 marvel. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, making rice, yogurt, steaming, sautéing, sterilizing, and warming, all with just one appliance. It's like having a whole kitchen's worth of gadgets in one sleek device. Yeah, you heard me right. This is the ultimate kitchen companion. First off, let's talk about its stunning design. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is not just functional, but also a stylish addition to your kitchen. The stainless steel gray finish is sleek and modern, giving it a premium look. It'll match any kitchen decor and look absolutely fabulous on your counter. It's not just an appliance, it's a statement piece. Now let's get into the magic of this appliance. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is designed to make your life easier and your cooking more efficient. The Whisper Quiet Steam Release is a game changer. No more loud hissing sounds that startle you or your pets. It's perfect for maintaining a peaceful kitchen environment. Plus, the large LCD display with step-by-step cooking instructions and a clear cooking progress bar means you get real-time feedback. You can easily monitor your cooking without any guesswork. Cooking has never been this easy and quiet. Feeling adventurous? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to support your culinary creativity. The Instant Pot Duo Plus offers 25 customizable smart programs. One-touch cooking for ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, these programs make cooking a breeze. Just press a button and let the magic happen. It's that simple. The inner cooking pot is made of food-grade stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom. This ensures even cooking, and the anti-spin design secures the pot perfectly for sautéing. No more shifting pots while you're stirring. You can sauté with confidence and ease. Whether you want to cook fast or slow, this Instant Pot has got you covered. It's versatile enough to handle any recipe you throw at it. Pressure cook your meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Imagine having a delicious meal ready in a fraction of the time. Or slow cook your favorite recipes just like Grandma used to make. The choice is yours. And the best part? Cleanup is a breeze. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories make them quick and easy to clean. It's time to elevate your cooking game and make every meal a masterpiece. Thanks for watching and happy cooking! Thanks for watching and happy cooking! Enjoy your culinary journey with the Instant Pot Duo Plus.